water is the most important thing in our life. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. I am also great. My name is Horidas Sagar here. So right now I am in the model town. Actually, I love this place every day. That's why I come here to make a video. So guys, who are beginner, you can tell that how to practice in English. Actually, I don't no idea, and I will tell them how to practice in English. First of all, you take any topic, okay, and suppose water. And you know, water is the most important thing in our life, okay? And the people, animal, plants use water in our life. So, water is a very important thing. We cannot live without water. And we use water drinking, cooking, washing every day. Rivers, lakes, ocean are full of water. So, water is very important thing in our life. There are different water, clean water, fresh water, but you have to choose clean water because we drink clean water every day. Okay, and we can say water is life. We cannot live without water. So, who are beginner must be practiced in English at any topic. And suppose I'm here today, and you can see this is all. So around me, really fantastic. And all the day there is no sunny. We are very happy, and the sky is very cloud, as you can see. So really fantastic, and I feel good because and slowly winds really fantastic, and every day. So guys, as you can see, really there are most of the place is blank. So guys, who are beginner, everyday practice in English in this way. I hope you will be a good speaker one day. So see you later, another new video. Thank you so much.